Season 5 2025 winners goes to Mirjili Baby. Very congratulations Mirjili Baby. Please come on the dais and receive your trophy, money, bouquet and pohon and award certificate also. Please come forward. Right now. Kapin na lang kardi ko open. Yun na lang ang so anong igipipan niyo po. Part ini ko lang judges do sir. Pro bang sir ala di kasi igipipan niyo po. Damna nila kadok kabeta dali tum hans tamin ini dengan